guys, GreatGamer34 here. So I'm back with part 3 of the tutorial, and I'm a little upset because this is the second time recording it. And the first time I recorded it, I lost audio, so when I was editing it and I noticed I lost audio, I was doing a voiceover. And then as I was doing the voiceover, it crashed, so then I lost the voiceover with the edits I made to the video so far, so I wasted so much time. So I'm just hopefully going to be able to fly through this, and hopefully you guys will be able to understand what I'm doing. So this is a little different from what your guys' looks like because I had to undo what I built and rebuild it now. So basically all that you need to do is come over here, place blue, and just bring it as far that way like that, and then the red, bring it somewhat this way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come off this like this, like so, with gray, like that. This gray has to come all the way over, like this. And then we're going to stack this gray 5 times, like that. And then we're going to put repeater here. I guess I should have stacked it like this 5 times. And then it goes like this. Oh, actually, we'll just leave that blank like that. Okay. So what this is going to be doing is the encoding instructions up here. So I'll just finish through this. So we need the 5 lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't need this one here. Okay. So this one is going to be subtract. Then it goes nor. Then it goes and. Then it goes x nor. And then it goes shift. Shoot, S-H-F-T. It goes R-S-H-F-T, like that. Okay. Okay. So I lost my labels here. Shoot. This one is or. This one here is carry in. Oh, and you guys have to make sure that all the lines reach, because I did that in the video, but I deleted it because I had no audio, and I'm not going to make sure that I'm not going to delete them reaching and remake them reach, so just make sure they reach on your own. So this is carry in, and this is invert A, this is obviously invert B, I don't think this is carry in. Let me reference what we have over here. I think that'd be the easiest way to do this. It goes or right shift. Okay, so it was right shift. Alright. So we have or, right shift, invert A, invert B. This one is carry in. And then we have flood carry, like this. Okay, so we're going to code our ROM here to do these instructions. So subtract, we need invert A or invert B, and we need carry in. So we're going to come down here. We're going to do invert B and carry in. That should line up. Okay. Then we need nor, which is flood carry and or. So we have or here. And then we need flood carry, which is this guy at the end here. Okay. Now for and, we need or. We need not this one, but we need the invert A and the oh no. We need invert A and invert B, and then we need the flood carry. So pretty symmetric looking. For XNOR, we need the OR, and we need the flood carry. Oh shoot, that looks like this one here, which is NOR. Okay, NOR we need the OR and the flood carry. The XNOR we just need the flood carry. Shoot, my bad. No, let me check something real quick. Yeah, so to do XNOR we just need the flood carry, not the OR, like that. And then the right shift, obviously, is just the right shift. Whoops, there. Okay, so now what we need to do is go like this. We need to stack this, say 5 times. Good. And then we need to come from here to here. We need to stack this 5 times, like so. And then all we have to do is get the instructions to line up, or get the bits to line up like so, and just use a repeater. We'll make sure. Alright, screw it. I guess we'll go make sure that it all reaches. So that reaches there. This reaches the repeater that I placed there, which then powers into there. Good. So this is like not enough signal strength, I think. Yeah, so let's do invert A. We're going to say, oh, I lost all of that. Okay, well, to do that, we have to go like this, and then like that. So I'm going to go doot, stack 7, there we go, get rid of those, okay, and then we'll just go like that, and that reaches, okay. Now for this guy, we'll do a similar deal. But we'll stack 6, I don't think it needs as many, there we go. And then here, now that we know that it's invert B, get rid of the sign, don't really need it. Go like that, and like that, and it should reach. Yes, it does. Okay. So now we do this guy here, which can come like this. Let's carry in. Okay, there we go. It's just server being dumb. We can go like that. And then flood carry. Can be like that. Okay. So now we have to hook up. So now we have an encoder that can encode what we want the ALU to do depending on what instruction we are on. But now we need something that says, okay, this is what instruction we're on. And so the way we do that is we come around like this. And let me check something real quick. Okay, I went back to make sure that these are actually recording audio unlike last time. And they are, so we're good. Obviously, because you guys will be listening to this video. So we're going to place redstone like that. And then we gotta go 1, 2, 3, 4, so actually I guess I don't need that. And then we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to stack 11, but then we're going to stack this 4, like so. Okay, and then we also want to stack this 2. Shoot. We want to stack this 3. No? Oh my goodness. From there to there, we want to stack this 4 because I messed it up. Okay, there we go. So we want 2 left over at the bottom. So what we're going to do is, since it's going to be coded, the ROM is going to be sitting down here at the bottom. By the way, if you guys didn't realize this, the ROM will be down here. This server is being so laggy. Can't get anything done. Alright, so we're gonna go like this. And stack 14. I don't know if that's how many I need. And then we're gonna go position 1 there. Position 2. Stack 3. Alright, and then we're going to come down here. And so ROM is going to be coded like this. So we want the most significant bit to be on the left and the least significant bit to be on the right. So that means number 1 is here, which means number 1 goes here. Whoops, well, that'll work. 1, 2, shoot, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 and 12 will be like our branching and compare. Then we might have like some sort of screen operation. There's 14 and we have instruction 15 if we want to add. But I don't think we're going to even use all the instructions, but we'll see. Alright, so now you'll see that the ROM isn't being activated, and it activates only when, say, you input 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, like that. All those will turn off and this repeater won't be on, so you'll get this, and then it'll do that operation. So we're using the inversions to our advantage here. And so next tutorial we will be making our what we're going to do is we need a way to get input an immediate value. So we're going to be using this area over here and bussing down and around values, and we need the most significant bit to be bussed like right over here somewhere, and we need the least significant bit to be bussed over here somewhere, but the most significant bit is up here and the least significant bit is down here, so they have to get reversed. The top up here has to come over here and the bottom over here has to come all the way over here. So we got to design a way to do that that looks good, and then we will bus our register inputs and outputs, or register decoder inputs I guess I should say, and the right inputs up and around so that we can make it look like we can have a ROM. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to add a flags register next to our register that holds our carry for our add instructions, and then we're going to add the control logic for that, and then we'll have almost working CPU. Then we'll be able to code like some Fibonacci stuff, debug it, and then get it running Fibonacci. Once it runs Fibonacci and we get like data problems out of the way, then we could put the screens on, hook up the this double dabble 8-bit decoders for the 7 segs and stuff like that, and have like a kind of cool CPU, and then we could program it to do some cool things. So we're coming along pretty quickly.